Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to watermark your PDF files on the most easy way. And I'm doing this with the website ilovepdf.com, but right now if you click here on watermark, you need to select PDF file. So we click on select PDF file. Let's say I want to use the Delta Arms file, and this is what you see. So let's say I want to place help me out everywhere on the place that we selected right here. So we can do help me out, we can edit this by creating a line, make it bold, whatever you like. But the most important part now is the position. So we can place it everywhere where we like, just click there and then he will place a watermark on that place. I like right in the bottom, so I choose this place. Then we can choose if you want transparency to it. No, I don't want that. I don't want rotation because I want the normal watermark just right in the bottom. And then you can select the pages. Now, if I want it on just one page, now let's say from page 1 to 1, then you have just the first page. And otherwise you can do it on the second page, but I want it on every single page. Now, if you now do add watermark, you have your name standing right in the bottom. I think you want to do it on the other way, and that is place an image. So right now, imagine if you have a logo or something, you click on add image, go to downloads, and then we add a Instagram logo. Now, for now, that's an example, but if you have your own logo, you can put it just right there. Now, then you have the same option. Now, where do you want to place it? Right in the bottom. You want transparency? No, I don't want that. Or now, let's try it once. I want 25% transparency. Don't rotate it. I want on every page. And right now, if I do add watermark, and download PDF with watermark, you can see now, let's say our watermark was a big, too massive, because if you can see right now, he put this sign literally over the total page. But if you have a small logo, he will place it right in the bottom. So keep in mind, the size is very important for this, but if you do this on the correct way, you will see a nice little logo right in the bottom. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.